Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Difa Imandini with NPM 234111046. On this occasion, I will present material based on the topics specified in the courses I'm taking. The material I'll discuss relates to important, relevant concepts, both theoretically and in their real-world applications. I hope that the explanation I have provided can be understood well and is beneficial for all of us. Okay, next I will go into the material discussion. Behavioral accounting is a branch of accounting that studies how human behavior influences accounting processes and how accounting information, in turn, affects the behavior of individuals and groups within an organization. This field developed as an extension of traditional accounting, which primarily focuses on numbers and technical procedures, by incorporating perspectives from psychology and sociology. In simple terms, behavioral accounting does not only examine what numbers are produced, but also how and why those numbers are generated and used. For example, it explores how managers make decisions based on financial reports, how pressure and incentives influence budgeting behavior, and how control systems can motivate or discourage employees. According to Ahmed Riahib El-Kawi, behavioral accounting is the study of the relationship between human behavior and accounting systems. Meanwhile, Robert H. Libby emphasizes that behavioral accounting focuses on how individuals process accounting information when making decisions. The scope of behavioral accounting includes several key areas, such as the impact of accounting information on decision-making, managerial behavior and budgeting, employee motivation through management control systems, and the influence of organizational culture on accounting practices. By understanding these aspects, organizations can design accounting systems that are not only technically accurate but also effective in shaping desirable behavior. The main objective of behavioral accounting is to improve decision-making quality, create more effective control systems, and better understand and anticipate human responses to accounting information. Therefore, accounting serves not only as a recording tool but also as a strategic instrument for managing people and organizational performance. Beyond its foundational definition, behavioral accounting also pays close attention to the subtle dynamics that occur when individuals interact with accounting systems in real organizational settings. In practice, accounting information is rarely interpreted in a purely objective manner. Instead, it is filtered through personal experiences, cognitive biases, emotions, and even social pressures. For instance, two managers presented with the same financial data may arrive at entirely differences in risk tolerance, past experiences, or organizational expectations. This highlights that accounting is not merely a technical function but also a behavioral process shaped by human judgment. Furthermore, behavioral accounting examines how performance measurement systems influence employee attitudes and actions. When organizations implement strict performance targets, employees may feel motivated to achieve higher productivity. However, in some cases, excessive pressure can lead to dysfunctional behavior, such as manipulating financial data, engaging in budgetary slack, or prioritizing short-term results over long-term sustainability. This dual effect demonstrates that accounting systems must be carefully designed to balance motivation and ethical considerations. Another important aspect is the role of communication in accounting practices. Financial reports, budgets, and performance evaluations are essentially communication tools that convey information across different levels of an organization. The clarity, transparency, and presentation of this information can significantly affect how it is understood and acted upon. If accounting information is presented in a complex or ambiguous manner, it may lead to misinterpretation, poor decision-making, or even conflict among organizational members. Therefore, behavioral accounting emphasizes the importance of effective communication strategies in ensuring that accounting information serves its intended purpose. In addition, organizational culture plays a crucial role in shaping how accounting systems are used and perceived. In organizations with a strong ethical culture, accounting information tends to be used responsibly to support fair decision-making and accountability. Conversely, in environments where unethical practices are tolerated, accounting systems may be exploited to justify misleading reports or conceal poor performance. This indicates that the effectiveness of accounting systems cannot be separated from the cultural context in which they operate. Behavioral accounting also explores learning and adaptation within organizations. That is the explanation that I can convey regarding the material that has been discussed. From this discussion, it can be concluded that the topics studied have an important role in increasing our understanding, both from a theoretical and practical perspective. Hopefully this material can increase insight and be useful for all of us. I would like to thank you for the attention you have given. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.